Hello, 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 guys, and welcome to another fabulous tax training. If you are seeing me for the very first time, a very special welcome. My name is LaShawn Adesimilolu. I am a serial entrepreneur, a tax accountant, and the co-founder of Rise Business Solutions. And we help tax entrepreneurs build, scale, and sell profitable tax businesses. We do this through online courses, resources, and mastermind sessions, all created for the solo taxpreneur. So if you are a taxpreneur, or if you know someone who is looking to get started in the industry, please be sure to connect them with us because it would be an honor to help them on their journey. Today, guys, I am creating this video to talk about something that I think that every tax entrepreneur should be aware of, and that is the importance of having a backup payment processor, right? What does that mean? So how do you normally collect payment information from your clients once you prepare the tax return? There's a number of different ways that you can accept your payment. You can accept payment up front. You can use a bank product and have your tax preparation fees automatically deducted from the tax refund. And if you want to do that, you can check out a blog on our website all about that process and how you can get started. And I'm going to go ahead and share the link below. Or you can simply trust the client and just accept the payment at a later time, a post-dated check. I know taxpreneurs that do that as well. Those are basically the three ways that you can choose to get paid. All right. My suggestion to you would be to use option number 1 or option number 2. All right. Either accept the payment up front before you even process anything, or use a bank and then have your tax preparation fees deducted from the refund if they do have a refund, if they don't collect it up front. Because when you try to be nice sometimes and you give your clients the benefit of the doubt, sometimes that can end up biting you in the butt, okay? Sometimes they just won't come back. They get a little bit of money in, they forget about you. You know, and you won't be the first nor last tax professional that this happens to. Just ask any tax professional that even has a client who owed a debt and they weren't able to get tax preparation fees from the tax refund. How many of those clients actually come back to pay you? I'll wait. Exactly. And so I want to share with you guys the importance of these tools because you need to make money in your tax business. I know too many tax professionals who are making like $5,000 to $10,000, not a lot of money at all during the tax season because they just do not know what they should be doing. If you are a tax professional who is in need, and you know you are, of coaching, mentorship, understanding the best ways to go about this business, I encourage you to contact us, book a consultation call, and get in one of our mastermind sessions so we can show you how you can really get paid during the tax season. Okay, so I want to tell you guys a little story, if I may. So one year I was using Square to process tax returns. So I had two options for my clients. Either they could pay up front, especially if they owed the IRS and they weren't expecting a tax refund. I would send them an invoice so that they can go ahead and pay up front. Or if they were expecting a tax refund, they could go ahead and have the tax preparation fees deducted from their tax refund by the use of our tax bank. Okay. And so for my clients who were paying up front because maybe they didn't want to pay the bank fee or whatever reason, I would send them an invoice on Square and we would do it that way. Until one day, Square decided to hate, okay? So I value price all my tax preparation services. I pride myself on taking continuing education credits, going to tax seminars, making sure I'm a annual filing. I always get this wrong. AFTS, I think that's right, y'all. The program that the IRS has for tax professionals where you can get continuing education credits and actually be featured on their site as a reputable tax preparer. So I make sure that I complete that program and I'm going to charge accordingly, right? I'm not going to charge you $50 to do your tax return. That's not over here, okay? And so I feel like Square was kind of hating on me a little bit about my fees. So all of a sudden, I think I had done about 5 tax returns that day, and all 5 of the people wanted to pay me ahead of time using their card or their bank account. I don't even remember how they did it. But all of a sudden, I get an email from Square like, oh, they decided that they want to hold my funds that are in my account because I need to send them documentation. Okay. So I think the documentation they wanted was first, like, I think they wanted a business license. They wanted proof that, with the customer signatures that they had okayed, me taking the money out of their account. It was just a lot of back and forth and unnecessary problems. Now, it could be because there was a lot of transactions done that day in one time period, and they wanted to make sure it wasn't fraud. But it took me about, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks to actually get my money from them. Okay. And and they weren't even letting me process more payments at that time either. So it was at that time I learned the importance of having a backup payment processor. Never will I make that mistake again. So as a tax entrepreneur, you need to have, I would even recommend 3 different ways that people can pay you. All right, so before I was using Square, I'm not even using Square anymore. They can't get any more business from me, okay? I'm just, nothing against Square, but fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me, right? You won't get a second time. And so a payment processor that I highly recommend is the Wave app. And not only is it a payment processor where you can do invoice and collect payments from your clients, it's very professional, it's free. They have so much tools for business owners that I really enjoy. I recommend it to all my business owners that I work with. I really love Wave. We also have a blog about Wave, a blog post about Wave on our website, and I'm going to share the link, share the blog and the link below so that you guys can go and check it out because it's really valuable information. You can send professional invoices to your clients while they're at the office with you. They can go ahead and make a payment, easy peasy breezy. All right. I also use PayPal. I like PayPal because number 1, people trust PayPal. Number 2, a lot of people are already on PayPal. And so, it's nothing for them. Like even on our website for products that we sell for tax entrepreneurs, a lot of people would prefer to do the option where they pay through PayPal rather than put in that card because they just feel like it's safer because PayPal has all these protections. So PayPal is a second one that we recommend. And then also Cash App now is pretty popular. Now, I have heard some horror stories about Cash App from business owners. I haven't had any negative experiences. As far as I'm concerned, a lot of people use Cash App, and if you want to pay me through Cash App, then you can feel free to pay me through Cash App. So those are the 3 payment processors that we use to accept client payments, in addition to another platform that we have. But I just want to come here and share that with you guys as a part of our tax training for this week. I know that a lot of you might be busy because, the season is opening up. People are starting to get their W-2s. They want quotes. So I just encourage you guys to just stay strong, stay professional. Remember your why as you go through this season. Just continue to keep your head up. If you are not already following us, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We come out with videos every single week, so you don't want to miss something. Make sure you tap the bell so that you can be notified whenever we have new videos up so that you can improve your business and improve your brand. I hope to see you guys very, very soon, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.